Okay, I'm going to show you how to terminate an RG59 twist-on BNC connector to your coax cable. What you will need is your RG59 twist-on connector and some sort of a wire strippers or a set of dikes, or they even make a specialized tool for doing this, which is much easier. This is the way that I always do it and find the easiest for me. You're going to want to measure off about 3/4 of an inch from the end of your cable. And then you want to score just the outer insulation very carefully to take off the outer piece of insulation. You do not want to cut too deep to cut off the internal copper wires. Once you take off the outer insulation, you'll see a braided copper wire and then a white insulation on the inside containing the center copper conductor. If you pull back the braiding to about half of the length, and what you pull back, you can cut that off. Just cut off about half of it. Should now look like this. Now if you take that copper braiding and just twist it around the white center insulation clockwise while pressing it tight against the black outer insulation, it should now look like this. Now we are ready to remove the inner white insulation. I usually do this close to the, right up against the copper braiding. Okay, this is just about ready to put the connector on. My center lead should stick out about 1/2 inch. I'm going to snip that down just a little shorter, so it should look like that. So when we put the connector on, the center conductor goes up into the connector, and then the threaded end will thread on to the black insulation. I will now put the connector on and twist it about 4 or 5 times. It should get tight and hold on securely. That is how you connect an RG59 twist-on BNC connector.